you're at the right place at the right time. Whether you have a business or you don't have a business, you want to grow a business, you want to pay attention to this video right now. Like with me being a part of a great marketing platform, I have been able to learn how to create these types of chatbots, as you say. And they really do the selling and telling for any business. I know a lot of time people get tired of people inboxing them or having questions that you have repeated over and over without a client or potential customer making a buy, rather, right? So with this marketing platform, you will be able to have a lot of selling and telling for you, as well as having the bot just do it for you. So I'm going to give a little tour, as you say, when it comes down to not only just the platform of this chatbot, of me just really letting people see the flow of this chatbot, right? So let's get into it. All right, I put on here, welcome. I am Mr. Chat, Larry Williams' personal assistant. I would love to discuss Builderall with you. It's a great marketing platform that you would need whether you are starting a business or simply trying to grow a business. So depending on the potential business partner or client, they're going to decide if they're ready or they need more info. So let's just say, let's go to I need more info. All right, so Mr. Williams loves helping people, which I love to do, who loves to help themselves, which is true as well. Sometimes we get in our own way or pay attention to people who may not be going where we're going. Simply help you to grow your business, earn income. We're about to be family. Okay, so I have put inside of here a place where a person can put their name. So I'm just going to put Larry, right? Now, see how the bot is automatically replying to me. It's a truly pleasure to meet you, Larry. And it goes into Builderall and how Builderall can grow a business, right? So let's get into the free overview. And I know y'all hear my loud ass son back there doing his thing, but I'm click on I'm ready, right? So now it's saying, Larry, what is your main goal with Builderall? 3 things they can start on. They can start an online business with Builderall. They can use the Builderall tools to grow your business, or you can test it out for 14 days. So let's just say the person want to use the tools for their business, right? All right, let's click that. All right, now it goes into everything. It goes into describing how I retired from UPS, years ago, and how I learned this platform, and it shows how the chatbot is actually letting the viewer or the insider know that I created this chatbot with the same platform. So look what it has on here: how to create a website. Look at this stuff. And all this stuff I built. So say if people want to, all these tools you can use to grow your business, right, online. So say if they want to go back to the main menu, click on main menu. It's going to ask you again, what's your main goal with Builderall? Okay, some people want to start an online business. All right, let's go to start an online business. So then they go into how online business is tough to start, but it's a great opportunity. How you have training in your back office, and the person can get started, or they can go back to the main menu, right? So let's say last they want to test it out for 14 days. You'll be able to go get started with the platform for 14 days. After the 14 days, these are all the tools you'll have access to. After the 14 days, rather, let me get down here. See right here, 14 days for free. After that, you will be bill $87.90 monthly. Now you have to ask yourself, to grow your business and to make plenty of money with automation and things of that nature with this powerful platform, that's not too much. So I just wanted to come in here and give a little overview and let y'all see how the chatbot works. If you have any questions or concern, please